make it a little bit easier when you're coming outside to cook, it can be very, very essential to do some preparations at home. For example, you can bring with you prepared salads in a bowl like this, in a lid. Keep it in your bag. Once you arrive, you just take off the lid and it's ready to serve with a dressing or something like that. Some butter you can chop at home in small cubes, bring with you. You will save time, and instead of bringing the package, you will keep it. It will be stored better in a little box. And I always bring with me like a little essential ingredients. I bring with me some two types of salt, some spices, black pepper mill, vinegar, soya sauce, and some olive oil. This is always with me, and I keep that packed in like a waterproof little bag. And also, if you're gonna do a dessert or something like that, I prepare cookie doughs. It's perfect to do at home. You bring it with you in a piping bag, and you just easily, whatever you want to do, you just pour it over something and have it baked later on. Also, if you want to keep things a bit cold, you can have some ice blocks filled in this insulated little bag, and you can have stuff with you like cream or milk or like fresh dairy products, which will keep cold under a few hours while you're spending time being outside.